Hey, how you guys doing? We're gonna do some my YouTube channel question, answers, and statements, and we're working on several other videos right now that are pretty comprehensive and take a lot of editing. So that should be up in the next week or two. First one comes from URBD Consumer. Do you use a widescreen monitor? And if you've seen some of my screencasts, yes, I do, which is an ultra wide 21 by 9-inch ratio LG monitor, which I really like. Great little monitor. And next one comes from Michael Thames, and this has relation to the problems with Colorfinale video. He says, my passport video color chart arrived yesterday. I had the same problems. The settings for using the X-Rite don't show up under the control settings in Colorfinale. I found the settings in the far right icon. I use it and got crazy colors. No glare on the chart using two different lighting conditions. Just crazy colors. He likes saying crazy colors. And this last part I'm going to respond to primarily. He says, I bought it on Amazon, so I'm going to send it back. Cheap plastic 2. And really, I see two different issues in two different products. One with the X-Rite Color Checker Passport Video, the one that I have that I've been using for the last couple of years, and software support in Colorfinale. I cannot really fault X-Rite Color Chart at all for causing the problem because it's all in software, in this case Colorfinale, because originally their color charts are designed to be standalone. You can just use the built-in color correction software and they work fine. And I don't necessarily find them to be cheap plastic. They are pretty rugged enough for my use. Like I said, I've been using them for a number of years, haven't had a problem. And a chart like this still can be useful if you actually learn the different sections, and then you can use the built-in, color correction tools with different charts. In fact, this first three rectangles right here can be used for setting your white balance, which is white, gray, and black. And you also have a kind of a off-whitish gray setting white balance as well, using this square. You got a focus chart on this side. And also very useful is this different colored squares. The first two are grayscale charts going from black, gray, all the way to white. Third row down, you have all your flesh tones for setting, faces in hands and things like that. And the last section is your different colored squares. Some are primary colors and off-primary colors. So if you learn the different sections, it is useful standalone, as I find, and I can't really blame X-Rite for that. But of course, I know you want to integrate both of them to make it much quicker, which it is. Also, you can try using DaVinci Resolve 14 because it has a support for X-Rite Passport Video as well, and it works probably better than Colorfinale for many people. So I wanted to add that. Next question comes from Thinking Out Loud, and it's more of a statement, and this is response to my various DaVinci Resolve videos. He says, for anyone wondering, it is way faster than Premiere Pro. In Premiere Pro, 5K 8:1 ratio red footage is unusable unless you transcode or knock the debayer quality way down. On the same system, Resolve 14 skips for the first, second, and then smooth playback. And he's saying that the frame buffer, once it fills up, then you're going to get really smooth playback. Thanks for that comment. It's great to get different people's, has different workflows. In this case, you use red footage a lot, I guess. So thanks for that. I think, yeah, maybe Premiere Pro does need some bigger updates for their performance issues and things. Hopefully they got those coming up. Of course, they work on a different system. It's a subscription model instead of buying it standalone, the software. So hopefully they're going to push out bigger updates for things like that. Last question we got coming up is with NemoBox, and this has to do with my video Colorfinale 173 update. Does it support macOS High Sierra? I'm using it at High Sierra right now, and don't really have any issues, with the exception of, and this is a problem I had since Sierra, is when I'm using the Colorfinale with the video scopes, after maybe a half an hour or so, could be less, when I'm moving the cursor on the timeline, the video scopes kind of flash in and out and disappear. So sometimes to set it back up there, I got to scan to where the video scopes come back on again, and that's a big issue with Colorfinale, and they definitely need to fix that. But it seems to work fine, even though I don't think Colorfinale, the software developer mentioned that it per se supports High Sierra. It does seem to work. Just to let you know. Thanks you guys for stopping watching the video, and have a great rest of the week. We're going to be uploading one more video probably tomorrow, and thanks for watching.